Hi guys, in this step-by-step video tutorial I will show you how to add GetResponse exit pop-up to WordPress website. So here is the website, and when somebody will be about to leave your website or will try to close, so if he will move his mouse cursor here or there will be a pop-up with sign up form. So someone will be able to sign up to your newsletter, for example. So first of all, we need to go to WordPress dashboard and integrate your WordPress with your GetResponse. If you didn't integrate your account yet, you can watch my quick video tutorial about GetResponse and WordPress integration. So right now, let's go back to GetResponse. Click Create Form, list Builder Apps, and use App. This is the exit pop-up. And in here we have all the settings we can change, and of course our exit pop-up. We can change in here everything we want, like for example colors, text, everything. But for now I will leave everything as is. We can change the background color to dark, light or dark. Display effect I'll just leave none. Display delay, it's good to leave as is. And display frequency I will change to always. We can also choose our email list. I will leave this list, and we can also add the consent fields if we want. So for me that's everything. So I will click Save and Publish. So right now all we need to do is just to copy and paste this piece of code to WordPress website. This is the JavaScript code. So let's click copy. Let's go back to WordPress dashboard. I will show you the easiest way, I think, to add that code. So go to Appearance, Theme Editor, and in here you need to find theme footer. So it's here. Make sure it's footer.php. Scroll down and find this piece of code. We need to paste the JavaScript code in here and just click update file. And that's everything. There's also other method, because every theme has like theme options, and there's the spot where you can add your custom CSS code or JavaScript code. So you can also just copy that code in here. But I don't have to do that because I already added to the footer. So right now we can test it, refresh the page. And when I'm trying to leave the page, there's a pop-up. So everything is working fine. Even if I'll go down or up, the pop-up is showing up. As you can see, the whole process is very simple, and exit pop-up is always helpful to build your email list. Thank you for watching. Bye.